Hello, Divya. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm doing pretty well. Thank you for asking. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay, but your voice is little low.
My voice is not coming properly.
Yeah, now it is.
Right now?
Yeah, it is better than earlier. Okay. Okay,
Okay,
Divya, after long time we got
okay.
connected. So I'm so happy to see
Yes,
you.
I'm also chuffed to bits, ma'am, after seeing you.
Oh, really? Good to hear. Okay, so how is your Sunday going on?
Yeah, my Sunday is going on smoothly. Right now, I'm connecting with you, so you can say I'm over the moon today.
Okay, and if you ask me, actually, as it is Sunday, I'm juggling actually thousand things, but trying to soak in every beautiful moment. So no complaints.
Yeah,
Lots of works are pending and it's waiting for me. But you
yes,
just told me, and I thought, chalo, it is because sometimes na impromptu sessions are very good to understand your capacity also, your caliber, exactly what caliber you have. So I also want to check my caliber. So it is a good scale actually, impromptu session. So that's why I
yes, yes.
told you, chalo, let's make a video. Okay.
Video
So
call,
tell me
definitely.
what you want to discuss. Ball is in your.
First, let's introduce ourselves.
Okay. So first you.
Okay. So thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity, ma'am. My name is Divya. I am from MP. I'm a homemaker blessed with one beautiful daughter. And I have done my master and B.Ed also. Recently, I created my YouTube channel and I'm working on it. That's all about me.
Okay, wait a minute. I'm just making little brighter. Yes. Yeah, good to hear, Divya. Okay, so it's my turn. As you know, my name is Sangeeta Dicholkar, and I'm
Yes.
connecting with you from a beautiful place, Goa. By profession, I'm staff nurse, mother to two grown-up son, and
Oh,
I also running one YouTube channel. That name is Goan English Vibes. Recently, I have started. So that's all about me in a nutshell. Okay. Actually, I don't, we didn't plan this session, so we will just speak impromptu. So if anyone asks you that what is self-doubt for
mm-hmm.
you and how you deal with self-doubt, so what would be your answer? Okay. Wait a minute. So can I
Let
change
me
my
try.
place?
Yeah, I think so. You should
Okay, wait a
change.
minute. Just give me a second. I will just set up.
Mm-hmm.
So now it is okay or not?
Yeah, now it's okay.
Now it is okay. If again it happened, then I will change my place.
Yeah,
Okay?
right now I'm listening. I'm listening.
Okay. Wait a minute. Just give me a. Yes. Okay. Yeah, Divya, what I was asking you, what is self-doubt for you and how you are dealing with self-doubt?
Okay, self-doubt related. You are asking about the self-doubt.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so you know very well nowadays I'm learning English. And sometimes when I was beginner, so I had a lot of self-doubt. But recently I created my YouTube channel, so I am feeling more confident than earlier. So you can see whenever I have some doubts, so just I help through the Chat GPT because nowadays Chat GPT becomes my good friends. And
Okay.
Chat GPT gives you very easy answer, three way of speaking English simple, intermediate level, and advanced level. So it's up to you which kind of level do you want to choose. So in this way, I just reduce my all those doubts. So this is a self-doubt. Self-doubt means whatever you have doubt, just you have to clear your doubt in front of the others, or you help to the chat GPT or anything, any application.
Yeah, very well said. See, self-doubt means not trusting in yourself or not believing in your capacity.
Hmm.
We all are put on this earth with great destiny. We all are meant to do wonderful in our life, and we all have unlimited potential. But because of our this self-doubt, we don't dare or we don't have that guts to face that situation, and we always take back seat in front of
Hmm.
in front of facing that situation. But you are doing very well. As you told, you were earlier, you were facing problems, but now you have created your own YouTube channel. So like that way you are working on your self doubt. So yeah, it's correct, exactly. And we only have to work on our self doubt. No one will help us, okay? Because see, God is always there, God is ready to help, but first we have to believe in ourselves, then another person also believe in us, right? So
Yeah.
very nice you have given answer. So Divya, what do you feel that every time self doubt it is unhealthy or sometime it is healthy?
No, not every time it is healthy. Sometimes you are going into very stressed or overthink. You start thinking over, so it is not good for our health. When you don't believe on ourselves, so definitely the way you are thinking, it is totally different. It means you start thinking in a negative way. So once you
Mm.
start thinking in a negative way, so it is not work on your health. So just
Yeah.
you have to think positive, become like a positive person. So nowadays, because of social media, we start thinking over. Suppose whenever we see or whenever I came across in any negative point, so definitely I start thinking a lot. Suppose I want to give you my example. When I connect with advanced person, so definitely I start doubting on myself. No, I am not improving. Even though I put extra effort every day, I start talking in English language, but I'm not improving like that. So this is a kind of self doubt. Just you have to clear your all doubt and just you have to move forward. This is our life. Sometimes we change a lot of difficulties. So situation is not on our hand. Situation is not in our hand. So
Yes.
just it is up to you.
Exactly, exactly. And it happens with everyone. Whenever we speak with superior person than us, then we only taking self-doubts. Okay, we are only doubting our capacities. Though that no, another person is very much superior than me, then I'm not, and I'm not able to speak. What if I am go wrong? What if
Mhm.
I speak incorrect? What if I make mistake grammatically? So we are taking self-doubt, and in that process only we are hampering our whatever capacity we have. Actually we have that
Mhm.
capacity, we can speak with them. Now see what happen, if we are very much familiar with any co-learner, then we feel very comfortable to speak with them. But
Mhm.
and that
Yes.
person is also advanced, who we are very much
Mhm.
accustomed to speak, that person is also advanced. But the thing, when
Yes.
thing change, when that person is unfamiliar and if that person is advanced, then we are doubting ourselves because we are not comfortable to speak with them,
Yes.
because we always like
Yes.
our comfort zone. Okay, we don't want to cross
Comfort.
our comfort zone, and because of that
Yes.
we make lot of mistake, because
Mhm.
of that only, because we are taking self doubt, then we can't focus what exactly we want to speak. So that is the thing. So what I feel, instead of every self doubt, it is not destructive. Some self doubt are constructive, healthy also. You know why? For example, see, if I am driving four wheeler, okay, and I am not very much sure where exactly brake and where is accelerator and how it works, okay, so that time if I am taking doubts, okay, and I'm asking another person, so that self doubt is always good, because I don't have any idea, so I will definitely make accident. So instead of that, taking help of another person and doubting yourself, it is good, because you are taking
Good.
feedback, you are taking advice of another person who has that command or who has that knowledge. So that self doubt is
Mhm.
always good. It is a healthy self doubt. For example, see
Mhm.
another example. If I want to give speech on stage, and I am not sure that my speech is good or not good. Okay, so I have doubts. So that self doubts are also good because I'm asking feedback. I'm not asking
Hmm.
validation. So if you are asking feedback and after feedback you are improving, so that self-doubt is constructive. It is very much helpful. On the other hand,
Hmm.
if I wear any dress and I am asking again and again my husband or my children or my friends,
Yeah.
is it good? Is it suits on me? So that is not good because I am asking for validation. So why you are
Hmm.
depend on another person? You should be confident. No, my dress is good. Okay, it should be like that. But for another example, if I am not very much, fashionable or I don't know any trend, what is exactly going on. So if I ask my elder sister that whatever I am wearing, is it according to trend or is it fashionable? It suits on me or no? So that help is required because I don't have any idea. So I'm taking help of
Idea.
my sister because I have that self-doubt is good. So every self-doubt is not good, as you also told that there are two types of self-doubt. One is healthy and one is unhealthy, means constructive and
Hmm.
destructive. Okay, but yes, we have to work. And somewhere, Divya, I read one very nice thing actually. See, whenever you feel that you are doubting yourself, because we are human beings, so it happens. It is easier
Hmm.
said than done. Don't doubt yourself. But we born and brought up like that way also. Lots of things
Yeah.
comes in that. So what we have to do,
Hmm.
whenever you feel doubting yourself, so you just think that time that your friend is there and he is in trouble and he is doubting. So how you will give advice to your friend? No, 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 don't doubting yourself, be confident, because we are very good to give gyan. Okay, so that time you
Hmm.
just consider that your friend is facing that self doubt and you are giving gyan to your friend, and that time, yeah, what happened, you are shifted your mind to your friend. And when we shift
Hmm.
our thinking to different person, then we become little focused and we don't feel that anxiety. So that is the very best way actually. Whenever you feel doubt, that you are taking doubt yourself, then think that your friend is there and he is facing that self doubt and you are giving him gyan. So how you will give gyan? Are be confident, yaar, why you are doubting? You have lot of caliber. So if we do
Yeah.
like that way now, then also we can work on our self doubt. That is the good way.
Yeah.
And Divya, what do you feel? What we have to do to uh, to decrease our self doubt or alleviate our self doubt? What we have to do exactly? As you told, first we have to encounter. As you are doing, you have created your own YouTube channel to work on your fluency. So, what is another thing? How we can work on our self doubt? What is your put on
Yeah.
this?
Yeah, first of all, think positive. Second thing, do exercise and believe on yourself.
Hmm.
Second thing. And third thing, whenever you start giving any kind of explanation in front of the others, so definitely you should also follow. Nowadays, we are giving so many advice. You should do any kind of exercise, but reality is like that we are not doing exercise. This is the right thing, but we should follow. Whatever you are giving the instruction, you should also follow. The third thing is that. And I wanted to give you another example. You snatched that point of view from my mouth also. 4 or 5 days ago, I was in my maiden house. Wedding season was going on, and I have chosen 3 or 4 sarees. And
Hmm.
I asked my bhabis, please give me some advice. Which kind of saree should I wear? Because
Okay.
today it is haldi function, next day it is mehndi function. So, but my doubt never cleared. Again, I followed a different person. No, that person is wearing a different sari. So I also look a very, means traditional and very high-fi sari, expensive sari. But reality is like that. When you wear the way you are wearing your dress, it is totally different.
Yeah.
It's up to you. Yeah, so always believe yourself. Don't focus on the other. Don't compare to other person.
Yeah, very, very valid point you told. Don't compare to another people because we have that bad habit. We always compare to another person. So it is not right way. Very nice you told. And what I feel, Divya, see, whenever you feel that self-doubt and everything, no, not that very moment, but what I feel, you always be with people who motivate you, because some people, na, they always demotivate us. They pull us down. No, 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 you can't do that.
Yeah.
Why you are learning this thing? You can't do now. Your age
Yes.
is not like that. You have children. You have
Yeah.
another responsibility. What your husband will tell you. So they
Mm.
demoralize our, to us, and they demotivate us. So don't be with those people who always pull you down. Okay, be with those people who motivate you. So be with a good friend circle. Second thing, now
Yeah.
what I feel, Divya, read good sort of books, because it also give you positive attitude, positive approach, good values in your
Mhm.
life. So it will, uh, if you add those values in your personality, then definitely you
Mm.
will grow. You will grow. Your personality will enhance. Okay. So
Yes.
reading is also good things. Be with good friend circle. And
Mm.
another thing is, meditation. It will also work, as you told, positive mindset. But how that
Yes.
positive mindset, how it will happen, how you will become positive. So that's why now you have to be with positive people, optimistic people,
Yes.
because in our surrounding, people are very much pessimistic. Okay, they
They
are low.
just start pulling your leg. Yeah, whenever
Exactly.
you want to develop your new skills, so definitely they start pulling your leg. No, 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 this is not right time. You have to do this kind of work. So definitely you should keep the stance from that person.
Yeah, that is very important. You should think mindfully who is good for you and who is not good for you. Just cut down on those people who are not helping you to improve your personality, because people always like to criticize also, and they hurt you, sometimes knowingly, sometimes unknowingly. So don't be with those people. That's why
Yes.
nowadays I am also, I started to live with people who motivate me. And by the grace of God, I have very good friend circle. They always motivate me. Okay. So
Yes.
that is very important. Okay. Okay, Divya, if you want to ask me anything, you can ask, because I already asked you two, three questions. Now it is your turn. Yes.
So, ma'am, tell me what is one small habit that changed your life?
Okay. Small habit. Okay, small habit, I can't say it is small, it is big habit. Actually, I started to read books. Okay, earlier I was reading in a chunk, but it's now I can't live without reading book, and it's really changed
Okay.
my life drastically. Not only to enhance my spoken English, but it adds too much values in my personality. For example, now I become little calm, composed. Earlier, I was very clumsy. I was
Mm.
disorganized. I was not focused. My attention span was very less. But now I have seen conspicuous changes in my personality. So all because of reading habit, and it is why I told you it is not small habit, because it is a big habit actually. But earlier I
Mhm.
started to read in a chunk. So that small
Mm.
habit, that small habit now, I can see, because of that, I can see drastic changes in my personality. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Same happened with me. When I started learning this language, definitely it is drastic changed in my lifestyle or my personality. Earlier, I started thinking in a negative way, and any person start backbiting about me, I took it a very negative way. But nowadays, it doesn't matter what the person start talking about me, just I ignore them.
Wow.
Because of I want to be busy myself somehow. That's why it's happened. Don't think too much, just grip it and repeat.
Wow, fantastic. Very true. Very true. I altogether agree with you.
Yes.
What is next question for me?
Yeah, next question is that if you could speak English fluently overnight, then what would you do it?
Overnight. Come again. I
Yeah.
didn't get you actually. Come again.
If you could speak English fluently overnight.
Hmm.
then what would you do? What
Oh
would
my
you do
God,
first?
it's magic for me. Oh my God, I just, I flex on, I show off because it was my dream actually to speak fluently. And earlier I was waiting for this miracle overnight, okay? And I had, I used to chant mantra, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. And after that, I was telling God, please make me like that, that I would speak English, in one night. Okay, so I was doing chanting mantras also. I was doing earlier, but definitely if it happened and I could speak in overnight, oh my God, in this earth, I would be the happiest person, okay? And I would show off to my husband, to people who humiliated me a lot in my life, okay? Earlier, when I was pathetic and I couldn't utter a single word that time, lot of people, they humiliated me. So I would flex to them that, see how much fluently I am speaking. Very nice question, Divya. I'm so happy, just thinking, imagining those things, I become super happy. So you just think, if it happened in reality, what would happen with me? Nice question.
Yeah, definitely. It would be miracle for me because overnight it not working properly. It is not true. But definitely, I would like to explore all the words, and I would like to talk the foreigner also because they
Okay.
use very simple English, and I want to judge myself. How will I improve? How would I improve? So this is a reality. Always you be polite and just whatever you want to do, you can do in your life. So I would like to extremely happy at that time,
But
overnight if I will
but
get this kind of fluency.
But Divya, if you get anything in a jiffy or overnight, so that happiness is not ephemeral, it is fleeting. It is not long
Hmm.
lasting. Now, see, we are taking lot of efforts because it is a process. Learning English, it is not in a jiffy, it never ever happens. Okay. Overnight, it will never happen because earlier I was also thinking, but it is not like that. As we all know, Rome wasn't built in a day. So it is a long process, and now we are
Yeah, it takes
enjoying this
time.
journey. That is very important. See, destination is
Hmm.
different, but now throughout the journey we all are enjoying. So that is the essence, to learning this language. Otherwise, if you could speak in overnight, then you will not enjoy this every days, ups and downs, because sometimes we feel
Yeah,
very happy, sometimes we feel low
yeah,
because we can't speak properly, then we feel low. But that experience also we have to take in our life, right?
yeah.
Yes.
This is short periods of time. Be happy.
Yeah.
We will be happy.
Because if you get anything in a Ziffy without efforts, now that value is less after some days. Okay, you will feel definitely happy for a moment. As I told, it is ephemeral, it is fleeting. For a moment only, you feel good. After that, what is next, na? So I think proper, period is very important. You have to take hard efforts, patience, everything. So we have to taste those things also in our life. Your camera is
Yes,
this
definitely.
thing.
Yeah, I totally agree with you, ma'am. I totally resonate with you.
Yes.
Actually, in the meanwhile, 2, 3 calls I got. Whenever
Okay.
I connect with someone, definitely the all person start disturbing me a lot.
Okay, no issue, but it is real conversation now, because see, without any preparation, we are speaking with each other. Because when you told,
Definitely.
as soon as you told, I wash my face, I just applied some cream, I wore without taking a bath, I did everything, because I am also very much desperate actually to speak on video call, because see, telephonic conversation, it is quite different. Video call, it is
Yes,
totally
yes.
different, and that experience is very important. Yes. So, what is your next question for me?
Okay, ma'am. Should we wrap up the session?
Yes, yes. Why not? For sure. Okay. So, what is the thing? You are getting any phone?
Yes, ma'am. Again and again, I'm getting call.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Okay, so we will wrap
Thank
up.
you,
Okay. Yeah,
okay.
Divya.
Okay, bye-bye,
So,
ma'am.
yes, thank you very much. Yes. Bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.